Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our DSA series. Today, we're diving into the world of strings, one of the most versatile data structures. Let's make it fun and easy. Strings are sequences of characters, essentially arrays of characters with some extra functionality. If we look at this sequence of character ABCD under double quotes, it is a string. Strings are fundamental in handling text in programming, or we can say that they are the base for text handling in any programming language. Let's move towards string declaration and initialization. In C++, you can declare and initialize using the string keyword followed by the string name. Here, as you can see, string keyword before the string variable str. You can name this variable whatever suits your code or project requirements. This part completes your string declaration. Add the equal to sign to indicate that the value on the right-hand side is being initialized to the string variable on the left side. Here, we are initializing the hello world to the string variable we declared. You can also initialize them using character arrays. Let's see how. So, here we have initialized the value hello to this array. Now we have declared a string variable and passed on the value of the character array to this string variable. Don't forget to add the string library at the start of your code to start working with strings. Now we will learn how to access and modify strings. We can access individual string characters using their indices, as we used to do in arrays. Here in this code snippet, we are accessing the 0th element of the string. You can access whatever index element you want. Similarly, we can modify the string characters using their indices. As you can see, here we are modifying the character at index 0 of the string. Earlier index 0 had capital H in hello, but now the H is in a smaller case after being modified. Now comes the concatenation of strings, the most fun part to work with. To concatenate two strings, we will start by declaring them. Here, we have declared two strings str1 and str2. Each has the values hello and world initialized to them respectively. For concatenation, we use the plus operator. This will concatenate both the strings. Can you guess what the output will be? The output is hello world. So let's move on to learn about some operations and built-in functions that we can use with strings. Let's start with finding length of the string. We can also find the length of the string using the length or the size method. To get the length of string, the code snippet explains that how we are able to get the length of the string. We have learned previously how to modify characters in a given string. Modifying, changing, or replacing are all same things. But what if we need to change the entire word? So, we do it by using the append method. The code snippet appends the specified string to the end of the original string. Moving on to understand what substrings are. Substrings are, as the name suggests, a part of the original string that we require. Here we are considering the string, "Hi, I am John," and we want a substring from index 5 to 7. The output will be M with a blank space because spaces also counts. We can perform various operations on substrings such as finding a substring using the particular index numbers, or by just entering the substring we are looking for. Let's start by learning how to find a substring. We have two methods for it. We will look at them one by one. Method 1, using index numbers. This code snippet extracts a substring starting from index 7 of length 5. Method 2, by writing the substring we want. This code snippet finds the first occurrence of the specified substring and returns its starting index. Let's look at reversing a substring. This code snippet finds the last occurrence of the specified substring and returns its starting index. Jumping on to inserting into a substring. This code snippet inserts the specified substring at the given index. Erase method deletes the elements from the specified index numbers. Replacing substrings. This code snippet replaces a substring starting from index 7 and spanning 5 characters with everyone. Finding all occurrences of a substring. This code snippet finds and prints the position of each occurrence of a substring within a string. String comparison. This code snippet compares two strings lexicographically. Returns 0 if equal, a positive value if str1 is greater, and a negative value if str1 is smaller. Here let's take an example of these two strings. They are not equal because h in the first string is in uppercase while in the second it is in lowercase. But if we change the h in string 2 to uppercase, then both the strings will be equal. Checking if string is empty. This code snippet returns true if the string is empty, otherwise false. The bool here is responsible for returning a true or 1 if the string is empty. Else it will return false or 0. Swapping two strings. This code snippet swaps the contents of two strings. Consider two strings hi and hello. When we use swap functions on these two strings, their values will be interchanged. Converting to upper or lowercase. This code snippet uses the to upper or to lower functions to change the case of characters. String resizing. This code snippet resizes the string to contain 10 characters. If the current size is greater, it truncates the string. If smaller, it adds extra characters. Accessing first and last character. This code snippet front returns the first character and back returns the last character of the string. Consider the string character. The front method will return C, and the back method will return R. And that's a wrap on strings. They're powerful and essential for handling text in your programs. Up next, we'll explore linked lists. Until then, do practice questions based on strings on whatever platform you love to. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our DSA series.